Greetings everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Here's your fourth stimulus check update and daily news report. Many of you have been asking, what is the new stimulus timeline? So in tonight's video, I will be going over all the known details on the fourth stimulus payments. In a video later today, I will be announcing the 3 winners of this week's Walmart gift card giveaway. Please enter my giveaway. It's not too late. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also remember to leave a comment below. Thank you so much, everyone. The CARES Act included a provision for a round of stimulus payments. Eligible tax-paying adults received a check of up to $1,200, while eligible dependents under age 16 received $500 each, and a maximum of 3 dependents could be claimed for. The payments were made to everyone earning under the income limits, which were set at adjusted gross income of $75,000, with the stimulus check value reducing in a tapered fashion, up to a maximum of $99,000. The very first stimulus checks were paid into people's bank accounts over the weekend of April 11th and April 12th of 2020, either via direct deposit into individuals' bank accounts, paper checks sent through the post, mail, or in some other cases, through a prepaid debit card. These economic impact payment cards were sent out in late May and early June of last year. The second round of aid, a $900 billion package, which was part of the Response and Relief Supplemental Appropriations Act of 2021, was signed off by Trump on December 27, 2020. It provided a one-time check of up to $600, but this time, households were also able to claim an additional $600 for child dependents aged 16 or under. So those who earned under $75,000 in 2019 received the full stimulus check, while a steadily smaller figure was also given to those on a higher annual income level, up to a maximum phase-out of $87,000. These payments were issued between December 29th and January of 2021. Barely a week after the second round of stimulus payments were completed, new President Biden entered office and immediately unveiled his American Rescue Plan, which he then proposed a third round of payments to Americans, including some of those who might have missed out on the first 2 rounds.
Before breaking for August recess, they did not act on extending the eviction moratorium. This to myself and to Representative Cori Bush, as well as Representatives Ayanna Pressley, Ilhan Omar, Mondaire Jones, Jimmy Gomez, and many other representatives in the U.S. Congress, was utterly unacceptable. And so this is kind of the middle school stuff sometimes that we see in Congress. There are some people very likely, there's probably very likely overlap with those 10 conservative Democrats that I was telling you about earlier, and the folks that did not want to extend the national eviction moratorium. But essentially what we know is that there were folks that would have rather have left town than actually cast a vote on whether we should extend the national eviction moratorium. So instead of voting to extend it, and I don't mean voting yes or no, but just voting at all, they didn't want to cast their vote. They decided to leave town. And so myself and some of the other representatives that I mentioned earlier said that is completely unacceptable. And we helped lead a protest on the steps of the Capitol. Myself and Cori Bush and many others slept on the steps of the Capitol for several days.
The first stimulus payments were issued swiftly, just hours after Biden had signed the bill. The first batch of 164 million payments, with a total value of approximately $386 billion, arrived by direct deposit in many people's bank accounts. Some people may have received their payments on the weekend of March 13, 2021. Since then, payments have been sent on a weekly basis, and as of today, the total number of sent checks is more than 171 million. If there is to be a fourth stimulus check, then experts believe that the amount should be similar to the previous payments. Some high-profile politicians have even called for recurring checks of $2,000 to be provided for struggling families. So everyone, how much do you think that the fourth stimulus check should be? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Progressive Democratic lawmakers on July 30th proposed legislation that would hand over recurring stimulus checks or guaranteed income, with monthly payments of up to $1,200 for adults and $600 for children. The Sending Unconditional Payments to People Overcoming Resistance to Triumph Act and the Genuine Progress Indicator Act is legislation designed to build a 21st century economy that is reflective of Americans' everyday need. There was no timeline given on if and when the legislation would be considered or how long it would take to implement the new programs if the bills were to be approved. Many Democrats have written letters to President Biden asking and begging for more relief. Some of those letters reportedly advocated for multiple rounds of stimulus checks until this economy rebounds. A group of Democratic senators, including Ron Wyden of Oregon, Elizabeth Warren of Massachusetts, and Bernie Sanders of Vermont, sent a letter to President Biden requesting recurring direct payments and automatic unemployment insurance extensions tied to economic conditions. As the three senators reasoned in their letter, this crisis is far from over, and families deserve certainty that they can put food on the table and keep a roof over their heads. Families should not be at the mercy of constantly shifting legislative timelines and ad hoc solutions. An earlier letter to President Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris from 53 representatives, led by Ilhan Omar of Minnesota, carved out a similar position. They had stated, recurring direct payments until the economy recovers will help ensure that people can meet their basic needs, provide racially equitable solutions, and shorten the length of this recession. Many additional co-signers, including New York's Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez and Michigan's Rashida Tlaib, two other notable names among the House progressives, the letter did not place a number on the requested stimulus payments. But state governments are also looking to do their bit to help their citizens. With December 31st set as a deadline to distribute the money, some states have already started to dish them out where they are needed most. So everyone, that's the end of the video for tonight. I really appreciate all of you joining me here today. Remember, tomorrow I will be announcing the winners of this week's Walmart gift card giveaway. Please enter my giveaway by subscribing to my channel, leaving a comment below, and also liking this video. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a blessed Thursday night.